Right here. Don't kill. What? Don't kill that. Are you gonna get on? Yeah. I'm horny that this bike, buddy. Here. I don't like that small one. Hold me. Be careful,
I asked him, like, you okay, John? He's like, yeah, very horny for this bike. Look at his shirt. Look at his shirt, dude. Look at his shirt, man.
How can I just pull up, buddy? Holy fuck, yes, see? Street? What? Oh, I don't know what's we're getting an accident, we're gonna hit the room and might be in here. I didn't control myself last night, I'm sore, my hand is sore. You know what I mean?
What's up with that thing, right?
Fucking, it's misfiring, and when John spilled it, it's fucking... that is fucked up. Right? When you spilled it, it fucking flipped it. I'd take it out though. Well, yeah, we're gonna have to do that now. Fuck, your back is all broken. Where you going? Where you come from?
You want to take this one, dude?
I do, but...
Yeah, you can ride.
Oh, I know I can ride. Except fucking want to
Holy fuck.
Fuck. If I not sorg my hand, I can't do that to fly. Sorg, buddy, because you know what I mean, the steering. How observe the steering of him?
Yeah, this is different setup.
Yeah.
Freestyle, buddy. That's racing. This is freestyle.
This surface we need beautiful trucks, buddy, like this big spike. That one, fuck! I'm goes to the water, eh?
Yeah? That thing's weird right now, man. It's all over the place.
Yeah? It's like my fucking big tire.
Yeah. Ooh, I can't train myself.
But it's all right.
Oh, why the fuck is in West Africa?
Being ignorant.
I'm twice.
Johnny, you mucked it up, buddy.
Huh?
You fucked it up.
I'm twice
Got
getting
my
accident.
helmet
Fuck.
soaking wet, man.
Have a look at me.
Have a look.
Fucking crazy.
He spilt it like right into a puddle, man.
Oh, yeah. So I do.